Yes, good evening, everyone. On this question of Yul Edochie's case.
Away, my people. He don settle. Kasala don burst for inside Ogberaka industry. Yul Edochie, we no know the one wey e dey o. Whether e need to dey happy now o, or make e fair wait o. Because Judy Austin sef still dey in life. In as much as say e no dey post Judy Austin again for his social media platform, because that one dey among the conditions wey dem give Yul Edochie if truly e want to make peace with May, whether traditionally or for her family or even legally, make Yul Edochie desist from Judy, which e don dey respect that law, is regulating to it already. But guys, this their divorce issue don take another level, as May Edochie, one of her legal practitioner, don come out, don come let us know the updates concerning Yul and May Edochie matter. Based on law, Yul Edochie has been given terms and conditions that will favor him in the future if he abides to it. If he's going to regulate it the way he has been instructed to, Yul Edochie will come out happy. Yul Edochie, according to wetin we dey hear, say first of all, May don first grant am the access now to dey come see e children for her house, for her mansion for Ajah. That na a very big win for Yul Edochie. Guys, in as much as na Yul Edochie, I always say it, he brought this upon himself. But I believe say Yul Edochie don collect the punishment. Like, he don suffer reach. He don realize say wetin he do e no good, and he's trying to make amends. How Yul Edochie don take go meet May Edochie lawyer, don go meet May Edochie legal practitioners as senior advocate wey dey handle this case for court. How Yul Edochie don make all sorts of promises, guys, to May Edochie, wetin he go do if eventually is granted his request. Now May Edochie lawyer don come out to come let us know say the case between Yul and May Edochie might likely end well. Like, e no go come be as e be before, say May Edochie bin wan sue Yul. No be say they let us know say May don accept Yul back o, but as it is, e be like say they wan ease the court case. They wan ease am. When I mean ease, e no go come too dey difficult as it was before, so that Yul and May Edochie can sort things out. I say make Yul never dey happy o, because Judy Austin still dey in life o. Judy go fit still come out tomorrow, begin post Yul for all her social media platform, just to dissolve this thing wey Yul Edochie dey try to do now. Because Judy Austin na desperado. Judy Austin no want make Yul Edochie leave her. Judy Austin no want make Yul make peace with May, so she might come out to come spoil everything wey Yul don dey do for hand now. So Yul never too dey happy at all. The court never grant your request, but as e dey go, e be like say e go end well. E be like say everything go dey okay last. E be like say Yul Edochie go come out victoriously after he don publicly apologize, he don do the rightful thing, he don do everything when he's supposed to do as a man. I always say it, we all are humans. Nobody is above mistake. What makes you a man na to make amends after your wrong. So you don't receive a punishment well, you don't receive enough. Nigerians really deal with Yul Edochie. I believe next time, in his next life, make he live long to his 100 and more. If he hear polygamy, he go run because he no favor am. Not be me Edochie dey talk. People are talking on her behalf. They became her voice. So you hear am for body say, actually, he hunt a good woman. He hunt a good woman, a God-given gift. So you don't realize a mistake. My people, make we hear from May Edochie legal practitioner. This na bad news.
Yes, good evening, everyone. On this question of Yul Edochie's case, as I indicated on many occasions, it's not our intention to discuss this case in the media. It's not our intention at all. And also, we totally understood the importance of avoiding the media sensations regarding this case. And the court admonished all the parties. We agree with the court. We understand the importance of trying to leave things as they are. However, we were surprised to see the incessant commentary by Mr. Yul Edochie and Judy through their bloggers, their favorite bloggers. Their constant commentary on the case is so problematic because their commentaries are misleading, they're outright lies. Indeed, we were surprised by the recent effort by one of the bloggers to make allusions to the fact that the court did not sit the last time. And the manner in which she put it was so troubling because they were celebrating and taking credit for the fact that the court did not sit, and they made it sound as if they had something to do with the fact that the court did not sit. Whereas, in fact, the court did not sit because the court had reasons not to sit. It has nothing to do with what any of the parties did. The court acted on its own volition and on its own best judgment, and we totally accept that. We understand the circumstances of the court. However, we were disappointed to see anybody come out there and make this terrible insinuation that they had something to do with the courts not sitting, or celebrating the fact that the court did not sit, or treating it as if it was some sort of victory for them. That was unfortunate. Because of that, many people contacted us. I have been overwhelmed with requests and pressures and messages from people who wanted to know why the court did not sit, who wanted to know what is going on in the case. I have tried as much as possible to send everybody away, to say no, go to court, but they couldn't come to court because the hearing is somewhat done privately. It's not totally open to everybody to walk in there and ask questions or observe the proceedings in court. So we have been in a dilemma of sorts. On the one hand, we want to keep quiet, but on the other hand, it's important to correct the false information being given out, or rather being given out from the Yul's camp. It's unfortunate. My message to all of you remains to please be patient, wait for the court to tell us what to do, for the court to show the direction. We are confident in justice for May. In fact, if I may go further to say, May doesn't really have much to worry about at this point. On the main issue of divorce for adultery, on the main issue that there was adultery, May doesn't have much to prove anymore, because Mr. Yul Edochie himself admitted that he and Judy produced a baby. They denied being married, that's all right, but they admitted they had a baby. We are saying that if you had a baby, then you had sex. Adultery has been admitted. It's been admitted by the other side, and that's what is in the main issue. Adultery is been admitted by Mr. Yul Edochie, okay, and Judy, I would say. They both admitted that they had a child together. So Let nobody worry. Let nobody try to get information. We're going to wait for the court to tell us the rest of the matter. But as far as the main issue is concerned, May has very little to prove because the issue has been admitted by the other side. So that's what it is. Avoid the blogs. Try as much as possible to avoid the blogs. And you have to be patient. The information is not fully out. You have to be patient. But don't accept these blog stories. They were sponsored by somebody who wants to sell you a dummy and give you a false impression of the opposition in the case. It's a very straightforward case. Many of you now understood what happened. Okay? On the issue of whether there was a marriage or not is secondary issue. Alright? May is pursuing dissolution of marriage and the ancillary reliefs. That's straightforward matter. Okay? I encourage all of you to be patient, to ignore the blogs, to ignore an attempt to mislead you or misrepresent what is going on in court. Okay? And for those of you who are friends of May, don't worry. We have full confidence in the court. We have full confidence that this court will do justice in the end. We are not worried at all, and you shouldn't be worried either. Thank you.